recording, so.
Works out.
Now we are.
Okay.
Are you ready?
So true. Okay, then question number 3. Go ahead, Kylie.
Oh, okay.
3.
Let's see. 3 is in a pie chart. What are the slices? Why are they different sizes? And I just put, I think it's like C. Each slice represents a category. Yeah.
And then 4, how are the bar charts and the Pareto charts related? C, the only difference between a bar chart and a Pareto chart is that the bars in a Pareto chart are ordered largest to smallest, going left to right.
Did you guys do the Pareto chart? Because I couldn't find the sorting filter on my
Excel.
on my whatever it was we opened. Yeah, it was Excel, right? Did you guys find it on yours?
Yeah, it's just that top right in the corner.
Where it says sort.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're at 5 now.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it just is P the true proportion or the sample proportion, and then we put true proportion.
And what is N is the sample size, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, is it me again? If P equals 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement?
There's something like N minus, or there's a formula there at the end of it, right? P equals 1/4.
Doesn't. Oh, so it would be 1/4 times.
Isn't that 40?
The proportion has to be greater than or equal to 10, right?
Yeah. And then if you do the one on the right, that gives you the smallest number you can have, but it doesn't work, or that smallest N does not work in the next one. So if you just do NP, or N times P is greater than or equal to 10, if you just solve for that one, I'll give you the answer. I got 40.
Okay.
You got 40?
Yeah.
For 7?
Yep. What did you guys get? Because I just did 0.25, or 10 divided by 0.25, and I got 40.
Yeah, I just got 40.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Why are you out of bed? You need to go back, and I'll come in just a minute, okay? Go on. I love you. Oh, she stinks. Go put him in your room.
4. P.
Go to bed, please. I'll be right in.
Oh, gosh. Okay. Sorry. So we said 40 on that last one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the mean of P with the want?
I got 0.4.
So are you doing the thing where you go P times 1 minus P over 24?
No. So this one, the P with the hat is equal to P.
Every time.
Oh,
so it's 0.4.
So it's 0.4?
Yeah.
All right. What is the standard deviation of P?
Oh, that's where you go. P equals the square root of P times 1 minus P over N, right? So that's the
You
one.
have to do P with the. Oh yeah, you're correct. Yeah. Yeah. I was looking at the Z square.
Did you get 0.01? No, that's wrong. I did the wrong. thing. I keep getting 0.01.
So you're one step there. Like you just have to do one more step. You have to square root that. Because you should have gotten, for your top number, 0.24.
Yeah. I didn't write that formula
then-
down correctly, which is probably.
So did you guys get 0.1
And then you square root the whole thing.
Yeah.
So it's 0.1.
So are you
Yes.
thinking 0.4 equals the square root of 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4 over 24?
So it's the square root of 0.4 parentheses 1 minus point. Wait, hold on. Excuse me.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. 0.4 over 24.
24.
Yeah.
Did you do the thing where you, with the 1 minus P?
Yeah.
Yeah, and P is 0.4.
It's
Yeah.
0.4 times
So
1.
1 minus 0.4 is 0.6. So 0.6 times 0.4 is 0.24. Divide by 24, and you should have got Kylie's answer, which is 0.01. But then you have to square root that, and you should get 0.1.
Okay, hang on a second.
Guys, both my kids are still awake. Dog is being naughty. It's gonna be a good week, I can tell.
When did your husband get
Nice.
back?
On Thursday. Not
Did you
soon
do the
enough.
square root after the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so you go. Did you get 0.091? No, you didn't.
No. 0.1.
0.1.
Oh, so it's 0.4 times 0.6, right? That's why you got 0.1. Okay, I got it. I'm with
Yeah.
you.
Awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and read 10.
Okay.
So it's just asking what is P, and the following information that we have.
So it's just 0.3, right?
So I put that answer in the first time, and I got that wrong, and I don't know why.
Huh.
So the regular P equals 0.3, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to use the formula instead of being at 0.3 like the other answer was. I've used that square root formula of P times 1 minus P over N.
0.3 times 1 minus 0.3 over 100. And what's the 35 hits? She'll get. We want to determine the probability she'll get 35 hits at her next 100 bats at N equals. Okay.
Oh, wait. So I actually think it might be 0.35.
That's what I was actually about to ask.
35 hits, right?
Yeah, because it's out of 100. Because the next question is what I like, that's the answer you get for the standard deviation. And that's the standard deviation. So I think, yeah, it's just 0.35. I don't know what I was smoking. Sorry.
So do you think it goes 0.35 times 1 minus 0.35 over 100?
No, I just think the answer is 0.35.
For 10.
Oh.
Which I agree with because the logic, I guess that just makes sense because just asking.
Because it's 35 hits.
Probability, yeah.
Yeah. And since P with the hat is the sample, she's doing the sample of the 100. If that makes sense. Because her normal average is 0.30, and she's wanting to get
More.
Yeah, 35. So that's the sample of her population, which is all her average population is 0.30. And she's wanting to take a sample of 0.35. That's how I kind of have it in my head.
For 11, have you guys done 11 yet?
Yeah,
So
I have, yeah.
That 0.3 times 1 minus 0.3 over 100?
No, so 10 is just 0.35.
So, but I mean on 11, is that how you get the standard?
Yeah.
That's correct, yeah.
Because aren't we doing the square root and everything with it too?
Yeah,
Did you get 0.46?
yes.
Oh, the Z-score formula though.
Did you divide that by 100 though? The 0.6? The 0.006? Oh, but you have to take the square root though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, then I got 0.77 when I got the square root. Okay, that's off. That's not right. So you guys got 0.6 for your answer?
No, 0.046.
I'll do it one more time. Okay. I didn't get the same thing, but I'll figure it out later. 0.46.
Frank, did you get the
I'll try it one more time.
0.046?
1 minus.
So it's 0.3 times 1 minus 0.3 over 100. And then you square root it.
Yeah.
Every time I do it, it says error. That's the third time.
You have to do it in set. You can't just do the whole thing.
Yeah.
Formula, yeah.
I always do the minus first, like 1 minus, then I multiply, then I divide, and then do the square root. So I know all my numbers are like that they're not like getting mixed, like the orders of operation, you know.
So then I get 0.3 minus 0.7, right?
No, you do 1 minus 0.3
Oh.
and get the answer to that.
And so I got 0.7, right?
And you times
Yes,
that
and
by
then times that by
because
0.3.
I was subtracting it. Okay, I got it. I'm with you. There we go.
And then divide that by
Good job.
100 and then square root it.
Thank you. We got it. Okay. Hallelujah. Okay.
Okay, I can read the next one. What is the z-score? So this adds an extra step to what we've already done.
Yeah.
So take
E equals the value minus the mean.
So it's the 0.35 minus 0.3 over
that.
0.046.
Yep.
So it's p hat minus p over 0.46, right?
Yeah.
So 0.35 minus 0.3 over 0.46.
So did you get 1.087?
That's what I got. I got 1.869 and 1.087. Yeah.
Okay.
And then okay, 13. What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats?
Isn't this where you put it in the applet?
Yeah.
Did they give us an applet on here? Oh, they did.
Yeah.
Okay, so we put the z-score in.
Do you just shade the right tail? Is that what am I understanding that correctly?
Yeah, because I think it's at least
Greater, right?
more. Yeah.
Yeah.
1.87. Let's see this.
1.087.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then did you guys get 0.139?
Yeah.
Yeah.
0.139. Yes.
Well, I actually got 1.087. So it's rounded up to 0.9, but it says 3 decimal places.
Well, yeah,
So-
1.087, but then he's talking about the area.
The area.
0.139.
The probability.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Oh, I
You're
just
totally
had a
good.
brain fart.
Totally good.
Oh my God. Oh. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen.
So it's
I was like-
0.1.
I was confused. And that's why I have a group.
Are we saying 0.139 or?
We're doing, yeah,
Yeah.
0.139.
Okay. We're almost there, guys. Okay, I can do this one. What is the standard deviation of P with a hat or a wah-wah? Okay, so what are you doing? So if the true 52.
Minus 2,000.
I think I'm confused because I thought in the reading it said that P with the hat equals P, but in the last one it didn't.
I know,
Yeah.
it did say that.
So how do
This one
we?
it would be, right?
So this says the standard deviation, and I think the standard deviation, you use that formula.
Yeah, and you have to square root it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So this is what we did back in the other question.
Okay.
So we have to go P hat minus P over P minus 1 minus P over N square root.
No, you just do the.
Yeah.
0.4 times 1 minus, or not 0, it's 0.52 this time.
52.
Over 2,000. Oh, it's going to be a tiny number.
Did you guys get 0.022?
I got 0.011.
Oh, I didn't get any of those. Let's see.
Whoa, okay.
Oh, because I keep forgetting to square root. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Okay.
That's okay. I sympathize with you, Kylie. I totally do. I just had the most.
I got 0.1. What did you get? 0.11.
1.
No? What the
I
heck?
got 1.6. What did you? Okay, so how did you do this problem?
I'm at 0.015.
Okay, so I did 1 minus 0.52
Divided by 2,000.
multiply 0.48 times 0.52 divided by 2,000.
You get 0.0001248. So I got 0.0112, basically.
I got 0.111. Oh yeah,
Well, yeah.
0.112.
0.011.
0.011, yeah.
Sweet.
Okay, now the z-score, we add the extra step.
So did you do 0.11?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or isn't it 0.011?
Yes, 0.011.
Say it right, of course. And then the standard deviation, I mean the z-score, is the value minus the mean over the standard deviation. Okay, so we take 0.011. So are we taking 2,000 minus 0.52 over?
No. So you're using, it has to be getting less than 50%. So that's your P with the hat minus P over the standard deviation.
So it's 0.011 minus 0.52 over 0.011.
It's your standard deviation.
Yeah, 0.5 minus 0.52 over the standard deviation.
Okay, where'd you get your 0.5? That was the mean?
Because it's 50% of
So
votes.
it's less than 50% of the votes.
Okay.
So right now, the mean is 52 or 0.52, and yeah, and they're
So did you get negative 1.818?
I was close. I got negative 1.790.
I got 1.818. What'd you get, Frank?
So I got the negative 1.790 as well.
Well, I got negative. The reason why I got what I got was I went through and like did it longhand. Like I didn't.
Yeah, you put all the decimal places in.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
I think that's more accurate.
Yeah.
it's more accurate, but I don't know. Like you still, I don't know. Yeah. So. But by putting it shorthand, like just putting the standard deviation in the denominator, I do get negative 1.1. So I don't know what would be right.
Could run it again.
How many decimal places did you put in when you did it?
I went about 3 or 4.
I put all of them in.
Recorded the number.
I'm going to do a few more decimal places out. See what I get. Okay, I got negative 1.790.
Awesome.
Okay, sweet. I'm sure she probably has like a little thing though that accepts a couple of them. Yeah.
It does say in the reading though to like leave it until the very end.
Makes sense.
And I had to go out, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you got 0 point.
No, just
we got
negative
1.790.
1.790.
Negative 0.1.
No, negative 1.790.
And do we need to put that into the probability app now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now for 16, what's the probability?
What's the probability the survey results will show the candidate is losing, even though the true probability is 0.52.
So we have to do everything below. Let's see. Let's think us through.
Results will show the candidate is losing.
Yeah, it's on the left, I think.
Yeah, because our answer was negative to begin with.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 0.037.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I have 2 tells.
Okay. I can submit first if you guys want.
So I already did, and we got 100, so we're good.
So 0.37. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
No, 0.037.
0.037. Okay.
All right, good job, y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, so next time or before, let's just pick a experiment that we want to do. And we will meet on Thursday.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, you guys. I gotta
Yeah,
go make sure I get my kids to bed. So
All right, have fun.
It says I have one answered question. Whew. Okay, how do I go back? Question 5. How do I do that?